Hey, it's Ken Barrel Laundromat How To. Working on a small Dexter washer today, and we had a concern was they said it sounded like there was an alarm going off inside, a buzzing of some sort. So we started it up. So we're getting that buzz, and it's kind of intermittent, but then it gets more and more. And what it is the door lock solenoid right here in the top corner. There's a bar down below it that pulls up and down to lock the door. And after a while, they just get loose and wear. Sometimes, if you give it a bang on the horse, that'll buy you a bit of time, but eventually they're going to need to be replaced. So I've got the part in here. We shut the power off. It's pretty simple. Just pull the bolts off, connect the wires. Again, what we always do is take pictures of the wires before we take them off, so we know how to put them back on. Put it back in, and we'll be good as new. It's a pretty inexpensive part and not that tough to change. Okay, so we got this one out. It comes out pretty easy. There's 4 bolts on here. Take out the 2 top ones. The bottom ones, just loosen them off. They don't have to come out all the way. I just use a little small 1/4" socket. The size is there. Small. But size small there. So just loosen the bottom ones enough to get it out. That way you don't try and rethread them back in there. You don't want to drop them down there. They tend to disappear. The hook down in here, it's just a simple hook that goes through the bottom of here. Now the one that came off has a single hook. This one's got a dual hook, so it might take a bit of playing with to get in there, but it is what it is. By now the parts change all the time. So hook that back in, set it on, we get the wires plugged in, bolt it back in, we'll be good to go. The new one's in. Did have to bend the hook just a little bit to get it in, then bend it back so it's all hooked in there. Just want to make sure that it'll pull up and down, and if it is up, the door locks, and if it's down, the door is unlocked. Plug back in here. Everything's good, no buzzing, and we're all set to go. So information on this and lots of other repair tips and marketing and other information about laundromats available at laundromathowto.com, and check out the podcast at laundromathowto.com, the podcast on iTunes and all the other major places. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.